Welcome back, folks! Prepare for a scoop that's sizzling hot straight from the kitchen of the Duchess of Sussex herself. Picture this: Meghan Markle, Netflix, and a cooking show. But here's the twist: she's not filming at her own mansion. Intrigued? Stick around for all the juicy details. In a move that has tongues wagging, Meghan Markle, the epitome of elegance and grace, has opted for a different backdrop for her Netflix cooking show. DailyMail.com reveals exclusive details that Meghan's culinary venture is unfolding not in her lavish Montecito mansion, but in the opulent kitchen of philanthropists Tom and Sherry Cipolla. With production crews spotted lining the property, it's clear Meghan is pulling out all the stops. Filming commenced in earnest, with scenes captured both at Florabundance, a nearby florist, and the Cipolla estate, a sprawling haven nestled amidst avocado trees and lemon groves. Tom and Sherry Cipolla, prominent figures in Montecito's elite circles, graciously offered their abode for Meghan's creative endeavor. With a property portfolio exceeding $20 million and a heart for philanthropy, the Cipolla's generosity knows no bounds. As Meghan curates her American Riviera Orchard brand, her foray into the culinary world promises an array of lifestyle products. From gardening essentials to skincare, she's set to redefine domestic bliss. And let's not forget her husband, Prince Harry, who's also making waves with his Netflix projects. And there you have it, folks! Meghan Markle's cooking escapade is well underway, courtesy of an unexpected kitchen venue. What are your thoughts on this intriguing twist? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exclusive updates. Until next time, this is Celeb Explore Hub signing off.